Some confusion. Big Two's Felice Romero sat down with two district attorneys to talk about how they're approaching hemp cases. Felice.
A House bill which legalizes hemp was signed into law on July 10th. It states that if someone has cannabis containing less than 0.03% THC, they aren't breaking the law.
It's created a problem in proving the percentage in court. We're going to have to get a new test put in place, new training for the people doing the tests, so we can prove that this what we have is what they consider marijuana and not hemp.
West Texas district attorneys say they were not given the proper tools from the state to do the test, which would determine whether the substance found was legal or illegal.
Let's find a roadside test. Let's find a way to look at it microscopically. Who knows? Whatever it is, give us time to actually process the bill.
Many DAs around Texas were just dismissing cases. The state now sending out a directive telling DAs to not dismiss the cases.
Nobody from the state should be telling anybody how to prosecute their cases. They have to make a decision based on the area they live in.
Midland County says for now, if someone is arrested, it's up to them to provide evidence.
An individual can produce evidence that it's hemp. And so that is why it becomes a defensive issue, just like self-defense. So it's an issue that the defendant themselves would have to raise.
According to the Midland County DA, that would be in the form of a test, a receipt, or hemp packaging. The Ector County DA going a slightly different route.
Right now, if we feel like the case needs to be prosecuted right away, that this person needs to be held accountable right away, we'll send the evidence to Pennsylvania and have them test it, and then get the results and move forward on the case.
Both district attorneys say it's going to take time. In 2021, state lawmakers can re-examine the law and its effects on the state. In the studio, Felice Romero, Big 2 News.